Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, I'm going to explore the File menu, Download. And you'll notice if you click on File Download, you have a number of different options. Some of these you may use more than others you might not use at all. I'm guessing that the most popular ones would probably be to download as Microsoft Word, PDF, maybe web page, and that's probably about it unless you want to download it as an EPUB so that you can use like an ebook reader in order to read the file. But those are probably going to be the main ones: Microsoft Word, PDF, and maybe web page. So let's say we have a Google Doc and we want to download it as a Microsoft Word file. Click on it, you really have no options, it just downloads it. Or maybe we want to download it as a PDF, so we click on Download as PDF. Again, no real options, it just downloads it. But one of the things you may want to pay attention to is when it says Show in Folder, it wouldn't be a bad idea to do that. Right? And the reason is, you might not be sure where exactly it downloads it to, so if you're looking for that file later, you might not know where it is. And it's like, well, I know I did it, I found it, where'd it go? So if we download that, you'll notice one of the options at the bottom when it's done is Show in Folder. So I would click on that, and that just gives you an idea of where this file is. Right? For example, I know that the file I just downloaded as an HTML file is in my drive. It's in the root drive or the root folder of Drive. It's not in any other folders. It's just in Drive. All right, so you can download your Google Docs in a number of different formats for preservation, or maybe you just want to keep it as a PDF or some other kind of file. But you can change them and download them in different formats.